What if I told you that the perfect espresso machine could turn your kitchen into a cafe? In 2025, some espresso machines are brewing magic, while others, well, let's just say they're not worth the steam. Today, we're revealing the top 5 best espresso machines you need to see before you buy. From pro-level performance to budget-friendly gems, these picks will have you pulling shots like a barista in no time. Oh, and spoiler alert, you won't believe what's coming in at number 1. All product links are in the description, so let's get brewing. Number 1. Breville the Barista Express Espresso Machine. The Breville Barista Express is our top choice for an espresso machine because it offers automatic and manual operation and features customizable settings. It has an integrated frother, grinder, and tamper and comes with a stainless steel milk frothing jug and filter baskets, so it'll just be a matter of learning how to perfect your skills. We love its classic, stainless steel design and were impressed during our testing by its quick setup and quality performance. Mark Patterson, the president and founder of the sustainable and direct trade Civilized Coffee brand, notes that barista-quality beverages begin with well-made espresso, telling us that what matters most is learning to perfect the espresso shots first. He says, once you have learned to consistently pull the perfect shot, then you can create great coffee shop drinks. A machine like this Breville one has all the fine-tuning needed to get you there. Number 2. Breville Barista Touch Espresso Machine. Look no further than the Breville Barista Touch Espresso Machine if you want all the bells and whistles. It features a touch screen that offers automatic milk texturing and customizable settings to craft lattes, cappuccinos, flat whites, and more just the way you like. There's no heat-up time, so your drink will be ready in a flash, and it has a conical burr grinder and bean hopper inside, just like our best overall pick from Breville. When you select the beverage you want from the touchscreen menu, the machine grinds the precise amount of espresso you need. The touchscreen even has tutorials that walk you through every step and provide images for visual learners. Its stainless steel portafilter can pull a single or double shot of espresso, and the milk frother customizes the milk texture for the drink you've selected. That means the days of scalding and burning milk as you attempt to froth it perfectly won't ever be part of your learning curve for making espresso drinks. Number 3. Breville Bambino Plus Espresso Machine. The Bambino is for you if you're the type that just wants to pull a nice shot of espresso or make yourself an iced Americano, says Alameda. This user-friendly machine features an intuitive control panel with just 5 buttons. Its compact design seamlessly blends into your kitchen, while its lightweight construction allows for easy storage. Craft barista-style milk foam with the Bambino Plus's intuitive light gauges and steam wand, ensuring optimal results every time. Whether a novice or a seasoned espresso enthusiast, this is the perfect companion for brewing exceptional espresso at home. You can tailor your espresso experience with the machine's wide range of grind size variables, allowing for personalized preferences. The machine's self-learning capabilities also help it adapt to usage patterns, which optimizes performance over time. You may have been considering this model and others. Check out what we have to say about the Breville versus the Deloni Dedica Maestro. In addition to its easy setup, we love the Bambino for its minimal footprint and the power that it packs in such a small package. We did have to experiment a bit to find the best grind texture and ratio for pulling a perfect espresso shot with this machine. But once we figured it out, it only got better from there. The machine managed to keep a consistent time and flow of extraction despite the variations in the grounds, too. Number 4. Breville Barista Touch Impress. The Breville Barista Touch Impress Espresso Machine is a versatile and user-friendly machine crafted for discerning coffee enthusiasts that will elevate your espresso game. The built-in grinder adjusts to your desired grind size, ensuring optimal espresso extraction and flavor. The machine has intelligent learning capabilities as well, which enable you to deliver exceptional espresso shots. We think the steam wand could benefit from faster activation and steaming, but the machine's fail-safe features and auto-grind and tamping lever enhance its reliability and ease of use. The intuitive touchscreen interface simplifies operation, guiding users through the setup process and providing comprehensive instructions, while minimizing the risk of user error. During testing, we loved the amount of fail-safes on this machine. For instance, if we didn't add the correct amount of grinds before tamping, the machine would automatically detect it and let us know. Everything about this machine speaks to its quality, and its consistent performance was another selling point for us. Number 5. Terra Kaffe TK02 Connected Super Automatic Espresso Machine. If you're looking for a near-perfect espresso, cup of coffee, or specialty milk drink with the simple touch of a button, we recommend the Terra Kaffe TK02. Apart from its beautiful, modern design, we were impressed with the quality of espresso and coffee, and the touch screen system feels luxurious but still extremely convenient to use. Admittedly, we were a tad intimidated by its app that also controls the machine, but we found dialing it in to be pretty easy. The app allows you to adjust the grind size, the coffee dosage, the water temperature, and the shot size. Any of these can be modified over the course of use, making adjusting to your specifications a breeze. It took us just 4 shots to really dial in our preferences. When testing the milk frothing features, the resulting milk was well steamed and very creamy, with a velvety microfoam on top. The bubbles were tight, and the structure was scoopable and pourable, all features we look for in our frothy milk drinks. So, which of these espresso machines are you bringing home? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button if this video helped you out, share it with your coffee-loving friends, and subscribe for more game-changing kitchen gadget reviews. All the product links are waiting for you in the description. Go grab your favorite before it sells out. Until next time, stay caffeinated.